I had a talk with the trees today. A talk with the trees, the bees, the butterflies, the flowers. I had a talk with them today. And I told them that even if I didn't need them in this room, I want them here. And I had to give thanks to them. Thanks to the trees, the clouds, the grass, the dirt, the bees, the butterflies, the birds. I'm so grateful for them. I'm so grateful for the pink flowers, the violet flowers, the yellow and orange that's in the leaves. I'm so grateful for the different colors, shades of the trees. The small branches, the tiny branches. Oh, I'm so grateful for thee. Even if I did not need them, I'm so happy you are here with me. I don't just need you, but I honestly want you here with me. I want you here with me because when I look at you, I find peace. I find strength. I find understanding, overstanding me. When I look at you, I touch you, and I smell you and feel you. Even the lizards as they breathe in and out. I find life. I find hope. I find gratitude. So even if you wasn't needed, you are wanted. So I had a talk with the trees and the bees and the lizards and the grass. And I had to tell them, thank you. Thank you for being you. I am not a tree. I am not a bee. I am not a bird. So I don't know how it is. I don't know what they feel. But I know as a human, sometimes as a human, I wish I wasn't here. And how do I not know if a tree feel that way? If a bee feel that way? If the lizard feel that way? I don't know. But just in case that they can hear me, they can feel me, they can see me, I will give them life back and let them know that I want you here. Even if it's a selfish reason. You are wanted and not just needed. You are wanted and not just needed. So thank you, trees. Thank you, grass. Thank you, leaves. Thank you, bees. Thank you, butterflies, for just being. Because you just being brings me peace of everlasting joy and harmony. You bring me strength. You give me hope. You make me happy being here in this realm, being able to experience seeing you, seeing a lizard, seeing the butterflies, this experience. You give me hope. You give me life mentally, spiritually, and physically. And technically even physically. Because money comes from trees, right? Thank you. So this journal of thought, of poetry, or whatever you want to call it, is dedicated to you from me, Goddess K, your reflection human being. Peace, love, and knowledge. Ashe.